Hey everyone, I'm Neale, head cook of Smoke Freaks Barbecue, and I'm here with Brian Neale. Together, we're the Smoke Freaks and the BBQ Pro Shop factory team.
Talking great brisket rubs? Well, let's talk about Eat Barbecue most powerful stuff.
First off, the flavor profile. So on our flavor guide testing, we scored this one a 3-3-3-3.
So in other words, perfectly balanced flavor going right down the middle, nothing popping out. Truly an AP seasoning.
You'll find in this one the salt, garlic, and onion sit in perfect harmony with the sweet and heat.
Yep, and in terms of what this will do for your brisket, well, look at the color in this stuff. It's got lots of paprika to give you that nice mahogany bark that you're looking for, and there's a good amount of black pepper in this blend. And I would say this is what? Medium grind?
Yeah, medium grind. Great on all different types of beef, great on pork, including sausage gravy for your biscuits and gravy, and great on really just about everything else, truly. Eat Barbecue, most powerful stuff.